Hello viewers, today I'm at the Ohio Bird Sanctuary. Before I begin, please hit like this video that shows you love animals. The first animal on my list today is the eastern screech owl. The eastern screech owl's scientific name is Megasorcopus aoco. Despite their name, screech owls rarely screech. Instead, their calls consist of a series of whinnies and trills. They only screech when they are young and begin for food. This owl, common in most types of forest, evergreen or deciduous, urban and rural. They are highly adaptable and are often found living close to humans. Their diet consists of small mammals, birds, insects, and amphibians. They hunt prey from a perch, descending silently onto their prey. Screech owls nest in cavities vacated by woodpeckers or squirrels. They will also use man-made nesting boxes